Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove or disable restricted mode from your TikTok account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to go to your profile section on the bottom right, and then from here you're going to go to the top right section where you can see the three dots and click on here. Then you're going to click on the settings, so click on the settings right here. Once you do that, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see the button that says Content Preferences. Click on that right here. Once you see Content Preferences, the second option is going to say Restricted Mode, and as you can see, it's turned on. Click on it, and as you can see, you would like to turn off, so click on Turn Off. Once you click on Turn Off, you can now choose any of the reasons, and so from that, you can just say any other, and then Submit. Just write whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. Now you have turned off restricted mode. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.